Hi, I'm from Techie Dialogue. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to use your computer's keyboard as a MIDI controller in Ableton 12 step by step. If you're enjoying these tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Let's get started. Step 1. To start using your keyboard as a MIDI controller, Ableton makes this really easy. To enable the computer keyboard as your MIDI controller, all you need to do is either press the MEC key on your keyboard or click the button at the top of your screen that looks like a keyboard icon. This will activate the MIDI keyboard mode, and you'll be able to play MIDI directly from your computer keyboard. Step 2. Once the MIDI keyboard is engaged, the middle row of keys on your keyboard, A through L, will map to a musical scale. For example, if I start pressing these keys, you'll see that Ableton is receiving MIDI information and the track is triggered in real time. You can check that it's working by looking at the MIDI monitor in the upper right-hand corner, which will show you the MIDI signals being sent. Step 3. Now sometimes you might want to play an octave lower or higher. You can easily do this by using the Z and X keys. Pressing Z lowers the octave, and pressing X raises it back up. It's super quick to switch up the pitch like this, and you can experiment to find the perfect range for your sound. Step 4. Next, let's talk about velocity. By default, all notes will play at the same velocity, but you can change this using the C and V keys. Pressing C will lower the velocity, making the notes quieter, and Top-Fa will increase the velocity, making the notes louder. You can adjust this in real time, and with practice, you'll get the hang of it. And that's it. You can now use your computer keyboard as a MIDI controller in Ableton 12 to record and create music on the go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.